The revolution will be live.
trying to pass you.
Fuck off. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I'm like, wait a minute.
There's a little manhole that dips in.
Yeah.
I was like, oh hell no. I got so scared.
No, but you did good. You did real good. If you want, I'll send you my footage. I had you doing your turns and everything.
Thank you.
You know, so good
I
stuff.
was like trying to practice like trail braking so I
Right.
can stay on second instead of going down first.
Right. Yeah, for me, I was in third the whole time because my bike has so much torque. Like, if I stay in second, like there was one turn I was gonna try to pass you, but I started drifting, like he said.
Yeah.
Like, you know, sometimes you just bring it up a gear or two,
Yeah.
it'll be less likely to jump, and then you just, you know, and just go from there. You know.
Yeah.
I think I know this.
this, you want your arm on top of your tank.
So weird.
No, you'll get used to it. Yeah.
If you're in a deep turn, yeah. All you gotta make sure is your arm is across the tank like this. Same thing vice versa. If your arm is on the tank, you're good. If it's like this, you're not good.
Okay.
Arm has to be straight across the tank.
Yes.
Keep going.
Alrighty.
for showing me.
Look,
Look, so say this is the C curve, right?
track a million times.
See, this is the C curve, right? Speed, brake, 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 and then come in. Once the apex starts to turn, lean in. Once you hit the sharpest point of the apex, smooth throttle, and then straighten out.
Yeah, but here's the thing. You've been to the track, so you have experience of like, I'm going this fast,
also-
and I'm gonna turn into it. No,
Also, you
Yeah.
gotta look through the turn.
yeah, I do.
Yeah, because your
You gotta
eyes will. Yeah, you're
150 yards ahead.
Yeah, I do.
Right.
I do.
Mhm.
I don't just look down.
especially when you
I
start
look
picking up speed. You want to look where you want to go.
Yeah.
Like
Matter of fact, you know who taught me that?
My
The
head
one you
is like
raced,
this.
Gil with the boost.
Yeah.
He was
whole
teaching me
time.
like. Because
I did
you know,
good,
on his
though.
booster, he's
I know
pushing
you're
me
not
like,
going full
you know,
throttle,
doing
but
crazy stuff.
I
But he's
was
like,
like,
Alex, as long as you,
I feel like
Keep
my
that-
last
some
lap
track
was-
days,
you
bro.
know, your line of
It's a
sight,
wrap,
you
I'm
know,
telling you.
it's just
Y'all
like
fucked
a
up.
gyroscope. It
Y'all
keeps
fucked
you
up.
balanced,
Y'all
you
got
know.
me
So,
Look, I'm telling you
Y'all
now.
fucked up. I'm telling you, I'm coming for
I'm
all of
not
y'all
even on the track.
motherfuckers. You too, babe.
Out here.
no, yeah, she's getting there.
I'm gonna
She's
do like,
doing good.
I'm gonna do like 2 more runs, And then you want to meet up with Jose and them?
We can if you want. I'm down.
This,
I want to do 2 more.
this was
though.
good
Where they
stuff.
at?
They're gonna
Yeah, I'll
be
do
on
like
Lodi.
I'm gonna do like a couple more and
Wawa
then
Lodi.
you know.
Lodi? Oh yeah, the meat's over there. Down?
Oh yeah, Moto Mac be going out there.
Lodi? Shit, some of the people be out there.
Yeah, it's lit all the time.
20 minutes. right after that, I'll down to second, front brake. Third, stay in second, stay in second.
All right, folks, we are done. Well, at least I am. Man, what a fun night, B. What a fun night.
This toe is going to be in. Okay? This is going to be down like that.
That's what you call some serious training, folks.
This across the tank. This on the heel pad. This, so your points of contact here. The closer you bring your elbow to your knee, the more loose your arms can be. You felt that?
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hell yeah. I'm gonna end it on this one. No. Man, that was wild. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I will be back out here again, folks. Man, I meant the ZXP. That's me, Alex Lexi. See you on the next one. Peace.
Ha 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 ha!